Should have stuck to editing videos, bro. You know. Nah, this camera's mega lit.
This is Daniel, a guy that's slowly making a name for himself here on YouTube through boxing. He's been in fights and has been mastering the sport for over a year. This is me, someone that trains in the gym 3 times a week and has been for most of their life, then spending the rest of his life working from his room, and is someone that's never trained for a martial art nor ever been in a fight. Which brings us to today.
Come on, the Bashinator in the Bashmobile. I'll pick you a meal deal because I'm the YouTube boxer.
Pick me a meal that I need pre-workout for boxing.
Maybe not a normal boxer's meal, but this is what I would eat. Cut was a different type of boxer.
I've got a list of things that I need to get. If I'm going to be a boxer, I need gloves, shoes, gum shield, wraps. Do I get a skipping rope? Do I need a skipping rope?
Yeah, go on, you might as well.
Right, you got to show me where is the boxing stuff in here. These will do, won't they?
Yeah. Dead still. Oh, they're 40 quid, I don't know.
That's right.
Oh yeah, you got bread.
What is the deal with boxing shoes though? You said they're lighter.
They're lighter.
Yeah.
They do something, but I don't know.
They do something.
Bro
So
science.
these aren't good enough.
They are good enough, no, they are.
What about yours?
Nah, this is a big off camera. This is like, look at me, I have a vlogger camera. That's what I feel like right now.
Okay.
It's all a bit pricey, yeah.
Nah, that'll do. What colour should I get is the question now. I've got to go black, surely.
You are Batman. It doesn't matter that much, really.
But then, if I'm going to get blood on my opponent's face...
Oh, you want to see it? Get white gloves. They're like more sparring ones.
What are these, 14?
Yeah, 14's good. I'll wear 16. Or 14. I would recommend wraps.
So what, you have wraps?
Yeah, I'll wear wraps. I have these ones.
I'll get these because they're black. Question is, for everything, does it come in black?
And protein.
Oh yeah, is there any ropes here? Skipping rope.
I might get one as well.
Gel mat. Oh.
Make sure it's not used, unless you have a tiny mouth.
Tiny lips doesn't mean I can't kiss.
Did bro say in Sports Direct?
I'll get a white one, see the blood.
I'll bleed out my mouth, like. That's because me and my mates always go hard. I'd say you could box in them, to be fair. Like, it won't be the best, but...
If I'm going to box again, no, unless I get flat lined.
You won't get flatlined, because I'm not going to punch you that hard.
Say that, run to the clip now. I'm just on the floor.
Are you a size 11?
That's why I've got big feet.
You know what they say about big feet?
Big socks.
They say about big socks.
No, what do they say? You tell me.
Ligma.
Big day out shopping for me.
Next Misfits boxer. I'm claiming my names, I'm training him up. I'm going to be in his corner when he smashes his next opponent. Who would you fight?
Be a tag team.
I'd do that.
It's a chore to get these on.
Yeah, I have to be pretty loose. Normally it's the other way round, you want them tight, but for these boots you want them loose.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What are you trying to refer to?
Just found his hair. Oh.
I do feel like a bit of a celebrity with you just walking around with a camera.
Yeah, that's how I feel on that, it's fun.
Mate, I'm not going to have enough room to put this in my car.
Oh.
We'll make it work.
POV.
Let's go boots, get a meal deal. What would a boxer eat out of this?
I'd probably have a wrap. You're a caffeine addict, so...
No, is that a solid boxer's meal deal?
Yeah, I guess.
So now with the right gear and a meal of a champion, it was time for some training. Just so I can still somewhat walk away after our fights and go to work on Monday morning.
Bash and getting prepared. Blast the bag now, let's see what you're made of. Do your jab, stand more straight, put this foot more forward. And now to jab, you twist your body and extend your arm. You look at the shoulders when you're fighting them. Throw it higher. Yeah. Yeah, nice. That's already a good jab. And make it so it's natural. Yeah, that's good. Good job.
What do you do with your right hand, your other hand?
Keep it tight, you're holding a fiver on both your cheeks. But when you want to throw a punch, just step into the punch with that. When you punch, keep this in your chin. You've got a fiver here. So practice fiver here, bang, jab, 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 fiver. I think the stance is the main bit we need to work on. Get used to it, get used to how this feels.
Do you squat quite a lot?
When I'm going for a body shot, I squat, loosen up a bit. Breathe through your nose, take a deep breath. Let it come naturally. If you're too stiff, the opponent will take advantage of that. Flick it out, make it loose. Batman, remember, you're not stiff, man.
Thinking, need a life for the ideas. I'm in the splash zone with the brain waves. I shoot for stars up and my aim is straight. I lay in the sand line in the Palisades. I'm Alec Baldwin with the angry face. I'm Christian Bale with the black on black. Never trust these stars, I'd rather save the day. But if your man is a problem, then we can change the pace.
So Ben, how's boxing so far?
So far, I mean, I'm not the best at it. Yeah, it is my very first time. And so I've got Daniel being my coach today. I'd say it's not as scary as probably some people might think, even though we've been going quite easy. I haven't had a massive blow to the face yet.
You might be surprised, you might like it, I do.
Cardio-wise though, if anything, where I feel it in my core and legs.
Okay, so after 30 minutes of intense training, we thought that was more than enough time to see what happens when you put a guy that uses his muscles to lift and a guy that uses his muscles to fight in the same ring. But firstly, we decided to test our limits in order to see if either one of us can withstand the power of a right hook straight to the stomach.
We're doing jar for jar on each other's belly. We're gonna hit each other continuously. Start off soft, go higher. Whoever quits first is the worst YouTuber.
Worst YouTuber. Can't lose now.
Swing into it and make it faster and more powerful.
You good?
Yeah.
Mate, I don't know if I can.
Oh, this is scary.
You better like the video for this. I'm literally getting tortured for views now.
Punching one of my favourite YouTubers in the stomach for his YouTube channel. What? This is some honour. You sure? You sure?
No, I moved. Oh, no.
That's understandable. Oh, fair play. I felt that coming. Like, that would have been a naughty punch. Probably good you ducked out. That would have been the most serious blast you've seen on the tube.
After managing to survive the continuous blows to the body, we thought we'd test our limits even further and this time take direct hits to the arms. And while making sure to tell Daniel to not hold back at all, may the last man standing win.
Have to give each other a dead arm.
We're now doing the same thing. We're going to see how long we can last until we give each other a dead arm.
That's good.
I feel so bad when I do it.
I just hit your stomach. That's good.
I feel like when you sit just on the tricep, that's what kills. If you get the whole arm, I feel like they'll spread the pain. You're now going to just try and tear my tricep off. Right?
You just told me your secret, so. I think your arms are just made out of bricks.
Don't skip arm days. The 9-hour arm session days come in a clutch.
That was a good connection. That one. Oh, your arm getting dead.
A little bit.
Okay.
No, it's really dead.
Mine's getting dead though. That's not good. You got bigger arms than me. Oh,
Ah, I moved. That's my bad. Still.
oh, that was good. Your arms are literally not it's the only annoying thing. Sorry, different technique.
Oh, here we go. The face.
Could be here, mate.
You just built different.
We do 5 more. If nothing happens, we'll call it a draw.
Alright then.
It's like upper hook your arm.
Uppercut my arm. Is that possible? Oh, I felt that.
Bro's arm is made of titanium.
I can't lie, the worst part is actually throwing the punches now. I'm just so heavy. I feel like you've got stronger punches.
If you learn the technique, that's my arm.
What is the technique? Can I know it for the last two?
Just twist into it. Bang. Twist and swing, yeah. That's the hardest punch by far. I told Bro's secret of one thing. Oh,
Yeah, when you put your arms up, piss you off.
Well, have a run up.
A run up. Can't do much more.
we'll see.
Flinched a bit there. Last punch. Wait, bring your arm close to the camera. Oh mate, when I tense my tricep.
I'm even in the sunbeds or something. Bro's sunburn. Sunburn on one arm. Oh, it's going to be so numb tomorrow. What do we
Into
do?
the content. You good?
Yeah.
You look like you want to kill me right now.
No, I'm just loving it. Come on. Last punch of the day. Thank you, goodie. Ooh, I couldn't break into the bathroom. Ooh, my arm. That was sick. It's come to a draw, so we're gonna have to do this again, but in Thailand.
You're right, see you out there.
And you, George Buckley, as well.
Do you have anything to say to my subscribers about boxing?
If you're thinking about doing anything, not just boxing, just do it. Be like, you've only got one life. See that girl over there? Approach her.
So you've had one fight already. What would you say to anyone that's thinking about doing boxing? A lot of people fear getting in the ring. You got anything to say to anyone that wants to get into it?
It's honestly not as bad as it looks. Once you get hit in the face, you might enjoy it. I enjoyed it the first time.
So you got to enjoy getting hit.
Now, you don't have to enjoy it, but you'd be surprised. Being hit isn't as bad as you think. You got padded, protected.
Pillows on your hands, basically.
Yeah, you just start pillow fighting.
So if we hadn't already gone through enough, after smashing out PBs in the gym just the day before, completing Daniel's intense boxing training, and surviving multiple blows to the body, it was time to fight.
So we pretty much killed each other today, giving each other dead arms, had a couple spars. We're now going to end the whole day with another spar. Are you going to hold back?
I am still. I'll just go faster, put up the tempo a bit, but of course I'm going to hold back.
We'll see.
3 2-minute rounds, no stopping.
No water.
Like 20 seconds. Batman likes it. Keep pressuring me. That's good. I see the aggression coming through. Controlled aggression. I know you're not as tall as me, but use your height more.
Yeah.
You're coming too low. Stepping on my toe technique. That's killing. Toes dead. That's good. That's good.
You got it in the eye.
Is it nice? That's gave me a dead leg, nice. That's a good tactic. Keep your head up. It's hard. I used to do that. If you look up, get one shot. Stay tall. 3 minutes. Take one. If I can't get into this, take it. I'll come and smash my head off. Ben Basher, the real champ.
I was gasping at going room.
It's good. Just hit my face. Were you trying to hit my face?
Problem is, when I go try and hit your head too far down, I'm too worried about as soon as I go in to get your face, you're going to come back in
Yeah.
instantly with the counter.
But I was doing it anyway, so you might as well take one to give one. That was good.
I know it's my first ever time. It's just that fear or like natural reaction, I think, where like you're going to come back instantly. Whereas if I go in aggressively, I'm open, aren't I? That's why I just instantly think, oh, you're going to easily dodge it and just go in. That's where I'm like already trying to defend somehow by being lower, then you can just uppercut. So it's like, it's already going in my favour. It's just literally just a mental thing. I'm just keeping my head up.
Same with me. I can't pretend that I can't dodge. Is it all instinct? You build up to that. So have a few more spars and you'll be a beast.
If anyone wants to spar, let me know.
Sign me up. Deji. I spar Ginty.
Yeah, Ginty. I've got a run for your money here.
How did you feel today then? Feel like we learnt a bit?
I definitely think like, I know towards the end I was like, this, but it's mainly just like the technique of when to throw what. It's so technical.
It's actually hard to teach.
I learned a lot in the space of one day.
Definitely improved from the first spar we had, like
Hours ago, if that. Just for preference, where you hit me. You got me here, you got me dead on the nose. That's probably what I felt the most. Like when I was breathing in, you smell blood. You know that feeling?
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe I'm lagging.
Bro's lagging. Thailand takeover. Me and Basham and the rest of the lads. February. Shut down Thailand. Would you start fighting out there?
Muay Thai is next level for this.
Or even just try a few sessions. A
I
video.
probably would for the video.
Oh, time for the KFC. Come on.
Yes, well, I'm
Oh,
hungry.
that's gonna be so.
And after experiencing the ring with the upcoming YouTube boxer, I can safely say that even though I wasn't the best, I still had a great time getting punched. If you want to see what happens when a boxer takes on a gym rat in a 1-rep max competition,
You got it.
then I'll see you over on Daniel's channel.
Oh my, that is sick. Come on, the YouTubers. We're in the Batmobile right now.